Hi guys, George from Cyprus Insight, and today I'm in Paralimni. Here we are, and I'm gonna have lunch at the Jacket Potato and Kebab shop. Now I haven't been here for some time, so we thought we'd come down and have lunch. So let's have a look around Jacket Potato and Kebabs in Paralimni Town Square. Here we are. We opposite that pizza place, if anyone's interested. And I'm going to have the chicken kebab, and the chicken kebab's going round now. Just checked, it's lovely and fresh. So that's what we're having. So this is for Aris CYP, I think it's pronounced. Right, so let's get back on the table, guys, because we have ordered, and we'll have a look at the menu as well. So what's the menu look like, guys? Jacket potatoes, of course, and they start at €1 for the fillings, 70 cents, and we've got doner kebab, that's what we're having, in Cyprus pita, and they are €6.50. There's hot fillings as well for your jacket potatoes. The jacket potato is €3.50. I've been recommended the spaghetti, but I'm not going to have that today. That's €4. So the salads are just €7 for a big salad. And you can have the kebab in the Greek pita, that's the round one, and that comes with chips inside the pita. Right, let's see. Oh look, you can have fish. They've got fish. Fish is around €12. And a few starters, your tara masalata, yogurt as usual, even coleslaw. Some more there from the grill. We've got kebabs, mixed kebab. These are ones on the skewer, guys, not the doners. And they're around €10.50. Oh, there's even a kids section, look. Kids meal, €6.50. Missed out the sandwiches. Have you tried one of the sandwiches in Cyprus? They're really nice. Yeah, they're really nice. All the sandwiches over here are delish, and they're around €4.50. And if you're vegetarian, look, all these options are vegetarian. They're the jacket potatoes and all those fillings you can have. And you can have the sandwiches. You can have vegetarian sandwich. There we are. And what else they're doing? Vegetarian. And you can have some vegetarian spaghetti and vegetables. And of course, salads. Well, I've never seen it cut in half before. You've got halloumi and lunza. That's unusual, never seen that before. And you've got, this is very unusual. This is tzatziki chips and the chicken doner. That looks really delish. But no salad in that one.
No salad.
Oh, unusual.
No veggie.
So guys, I'm going for the chicken doner because I saw it going round, looked lovely and fresh. I've got salad, but I have not got chips, guys. No. But you've got chips, haven't you? You've got the works in there. Look at that. That's chips, salad, and then chicken doner. And this, I like the way they've cut it in half because it's usable or eatable. Looks delish. Well, that was really delish meal. Good value for money. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.